Ocean. How are you? I miss you so much. Ocean, let's study together. Okay. Who can remember what it is?
Miss. Nose?
Nose. 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 What else?
Nine?
9. Very good. What else?
Nest?
Nest. Very good. And what else? What else, Ocean? Nurse. Very good. Nurse. Nest. 9. Nose. Is it start? Sound what? Start with the sound what?
Miss.
Huh?
Sound na.
Very good. Is it na?
No.
Na?
Yes.
Yes, very good, Ocean. Okay, Ocean. Who can remember what it is?
Miss. Parrot?
Parrot. Very good. Parrot. What else, Ocean? What else?
Miss. Pizza.
Pizza. Very good. Pizza. And what else?
Pencil?
Pencil. Very good, Ocean. Very good. Parrot, pizza, pencil. Start with the sound what? Pa. Very good, Ocean. Is it one?
No.
Is it one?
Yes.
Yes, very good, Ocean. Okay, Ocean. This is capital P. Capital P. Okay. This is small P.
No.
This is small P.
Yes.
Yes, very good, Ocean. Okay, Ocean. This is capital N. Capital N. Okay. This is small N.
No.
This is small N.
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay, Ocean. Let's remember together how to write capital and small P. How to write the Ocean? Huh? Stick down. Half circle. This is capital or small P?
Capital?
Capital. Very good, the Ocean. How to write a small P? Small. Stick down. Small. Half circle. Very good, the Ocean. Okay. How to write capital N? How to write? Up, down, up. Very good, the Ocean. Okay. How to write a small N?
Miss. Stick down.
Okay.
Half circle.
Okay. Very good, the Ocean.